Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of most of the newer Withings smartwatches. This here is a ScanWatch 2, but the process is exactly the same on both the Nova versions as well as the ScanWatch Light. There are actually two ways to factory reset these watches, either via the app or via the watch interface. To get it done via the app, all you have to do is to open the app and select the little devices icon up to the right. In here, select your watch if it's not automatically selected already, then click on All Settings and scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Dissociate this product, followed by Remove from my account. After this, a factory reset of the watch is automatically initiated. When completed, after a few seconds, the watch then boots back up into its setup mode. There's also the option to factory reset the watch from its own menus. To do this, push and hold the side button for about 5 seconds. If any of the quick shortcuts appear, just keep holding the button until you see this little funky menu and then let go of the button. From here, just keep pushing the button 4 times until the display reads Factory Reset. Now again, press and hold the side button for about a second, after which the display will say Reset in 5 clicks. Here, just do as the watch asks and click the side button 5 times, whereupon the factory reset process then kicks in. Just like with the app reset, the whole process is fairly fast and doesn't take many seconds to complete, whereupon the watch then boots up in its startup mode. From here, it is then just a matter of packing the watch down if you're selling or giving it away, or go through the normal setup steps to set it up again and connect it back to your phone. Alright, that is about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to help with what I can. Thank you for watching. Bye!